right, so now we're gonna do super simple chocolate chip cookies, vegan. Not as good for you as the last recipe that I did, but they're still delicious. And again, I wouldn't recommend eating the entire batch at the same time, although you're gonna want to. This recipe starts with putting semi-wet ingredients into one bowl and dry ingredients in the other. So I like to prep everything out ahead of time. I put the butter and I use refined coconut oil into the bowl with the sugars and the vanilla, and then the flour, baking soda, salt goes in the other bowl. And I keep a little bit of some soy milk, vanilla soy milk or coconut milk on the side, and just add a little bit as you go into the recipe. I did this by hand. I just got lazy and didn't feel like dragging out my KitchenAid, but this goes really fast in the KitchenAid. I guess I just wanted some arm exercise. Actual time for this, it took me probably 10 minutes or so to actually get this all mixed up together. And I didn't count or measure the soy milk addition, but normally it's about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup, and at least 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. And this is vegan, so you can eat this. There's no eggs. If you like cookie dough, have at it. And they do spread a little, so I'm only going to put 8 staggered, heaping tablespoons onto this sheet. They bake in a 350-degree oven I take them out in about 12 minutes. That way they're nice and chewy. You can leave them longer if you like the edges of your cookie crisp and the edges, or the interior rather, a little bit more chewy. They don't really take much time at all. This is really a delicious recipe, and again, this is from Sam Turnbull's Fuss-Free Vegan Cookbook. I can't recommend this book enough to you. Every recipe is simple, and delicious. We haven't eaten anything out of her books that we haven't liked, unless you're really adverse to some of the ingredients. Everything is worth trying. I highly recommend it.